Let's talk about App4Legal. And this is a law practice management software. And we want to really go a little granular on this software tool to actually see if it's worth it. If it's not worth it, the pros and cons, the features, everything. So let me first give you the presentation. So what is App4Legal? So App4Legal is easy to use legal practice management software for legal firms of all sizes. And so small firms, big firms, medium-sized firms, and also in-house legal departments. Okay. And we love the fact that the likes of Coca-Cola, Fox News Channel, you have Emirates Airlines, and many more use App4Legal. So this is just fantastic. So when you think about the App4Legal, I want you to think first and foremost about a system that is created by lawyers for their fellow lawyers. Okay. And we love the fact that it has a very versatile and rich set of features and capabilities. I'll go in detail a little one, but I just want to let you know that you have a lot of stuff around case management, workflow management, data access, data tracking. So this is kind of cool. Reporting also. And you can actually deploy this App4Legal software either on the cloud or on premise. We would advise you, as we do with our own business clients, our own business law firms, to actually do this on the cloud. It's just a lot easier. It's cheaper also, and it's less risky down the road, especially as you scale. You want your partners, you want your associates, you want your paralegals, you want even your back office staff to access data from anywhere in the world and not being tied to coming to the office to check any kind of data. So this is important to really think about it that way. And what I want to say here is that actually App4Legal was created in Dubai. So this is kind of cool. And they actually have about 300 to 500 employees. It's a growing business. We love this a lot. We love the innovation part of it. We love the fact that they're constantly adding new capabilities. They're constantly adding new functionalities. This is kind of cool. And we love the fact that they have excellent customer service. And so just be aware of the time zone, because right now they don't have offices globally yet. They're still growing. So if you have to contact customer service, just be aware of the time difference here, because they're based in Dubai. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. No, first of all, let me welcome you back. Let me welcome you back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. And we're going to quickly talk about App4Legal. Let me talk to you about the pros and cons of this tool, okay? And the good thing is that you have a large constellation of pros and a few cons, which is really great because it tells you the software must be good, right? So what are the pros here? You can easily manage and organize contracts and contacts, litigations, hearings, and all related legal data. You can store all your legal matter information in one place. You can effectively manage tasks, clients, finance, PI, and more. You have an advanced client portal interface. And the cool thing is App4Legal has a global presence in more than 65 countries. So basically you can actually share data or share experience with law firms in other countries. You have a multi-channel platform. We love the fact that because it is global in nature, you have automatically multi-linguistic capabilities, which are really great, especially for law firms that have an international audience or that do business internationally. And you have digital record keeping. So you have kept those capabilities within the software. You have automated daily tasks. We love this a lot. We have an easy to use dashboard. The UX and UI from the dashboard is just fantastic. You have a powerful reporting system, and we love the security features around App4Legal. It is affordable. I'll talk about the price later on, okay? And you also have part of the whole program. You have a user-friendly mobile app, and you have complete customer support. I'm talking here about live chat, talking about phone, email, and you also have there's also in-app messaging capabilities. So this is really great. You also have a free trial version. So what I'm trying to say is what's the bottom line? Bottom line is you have a long list of pros, long list of advantages. And on top of that, you have a free trial version that will allow you to test the software, right? So what about the cons here? Well, the software is still a work in progress, right? So you might have the occasional bugs, the occasional lag in the software. And all prices are right now in US dollar. So if you're somewhere in Australia, you would love to have the Australian dollar currency conversion. If you are in the EU, you would love to have things in euro. I'm just surprised that App4Legal cannot do something similar to what you have on if you go on what's the email marketing software. It'll come back to MailChimp. If you go on MailChimp, if you try MailChimp from several geographies, you are going to see the currency of the geography from where you are actually logging in from. So it's something very simple that App4Legal can do, but we really don't understand why they can't do it. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a conversation about App4Legal. So this is an App4Legal legal management software review, and we're going deep, 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 and deep. Speaking of going deep, I want to quickly I want to show you the features that you can expect when you actually start using App4Legal. Okay, first of all, you have legal matter management. So legal matter management is kind of cool because App4Legal is really an advanced and robust tool that helps manage and organize your legal matters, including corporate matters, agreements, advisory requests, and other related legal data and documents. And the tool also allows you to categorize your matters and assign them. And this is kind of cool. If you have a team that works on multiple projects, this is really good because the software therefore will ensure flawless information management and will store all your matter information and documents in one place so that you can easily find the data when needed. So this is kind of cool. And so besides legal matter management, you have case management. So App4Legal helps law firms of all sizes and in-house legal departments consolidate all data relevant to a matter easily. And the software allows its users to enter new case records or save existing case records. And the legal case management system makes sure that all the important information is collected in a precise way and ensures that the data doesn't get lost. So we love this a lot. And one interesting thing about the tool is that it really enables you to add and update deadlines related to each case. So this is really, really good. And you have task management. So this is another area where App4Legal really shines. We love that a lot. You have litigation management. And so when you think about litigation management, this is one of the most remarkable features of App4Legal because the tool helps to track all the data related to litigation and hearings, including case values, courts numbers, clients, opponent lawyers, judges, hearings, events, and stages. The tool tracks all the information in one place. So centralization is key here. Okay. Moreover, this tool, the App4Legal, enables lawyers to set up filing, approvals, appeals, processing, and editing litigation documents according to court protocols. So this is really, really fantastic. So overall, you have a constellation of features. You have IP management. You have client management, financial management, client portal interface, time tracking. Fantastic. Let me talk to you about the value added here. So what value does App4Legal add? Well, what is really exceptional about App4Legal? First of all, you have a user-friendly dashboard and an advanced reporting system. That alone is really great. It's just fantastic. So App4Legal software comes with a clean and intuitive dashboard with an advanced reporting system that allows you to track your performance efficiently. So whether you have a small firm, you have a large firm, you have a mid-sized firm, this user-friendly dashboard will be very efficient, would add an extra layer of credibility and efficiency in your operations. Okay. You have an excellent calendar module. This is really fantastic. You do have a notifications system within App4Legal that we love a lot. We love the fact that you have outstanding add-ons. So you can actually integrate App4Legal with Outlook and Gmail in addition to other programs that are within the Zapier stack. You also have a mobile app that is really great. Okay. And what we love is that you can do a lot from the mobile app. Actually, your team also, you can actually easily create access, manage, and organize matters from wherever you are from your smartphones. So along with other App4Legal features, the mobile app also contains some additional features, including audio recorder. So you can add voice notes as comments. You can add attachments. You can upload attachments. You have update information, so you can add information directly from the homepage and more. So the app, by the way, is compatible with iOS and Android devices. Really fantastic. And you also have a private and secure data set. So your data is 100% safe and secure with App4Legal. It actually uses cutting edge security technology to ensure your data's privacy and security is maintained at all time. Okay. And App4Legal follows industry recognized data protection laws and policies. What about customer support? Customer support is just fantastic. Remember, the customer support is available 24/7, 365. Okay. But remember, if you have to call, that the company is located in Dubai. So think about the 8 hours or 9 hours, the difference that you have to account for. Okay. But you have a team of experienced solution advisors already 24/7 to give you personal support. So what we love about so this really gives you an idea of what really set App4Legal apart, what kind of value they add. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a conversation about App4Legal. This is an App4Legal legal management software review. I want to talk to you about the specs here. So when you think about App4Legal, what kind of specs should you really keep in mind? First of all, the App4Legal users span the whole business world. So you have freelancers, you have startups, you have SMEs, small and medium-sized entities, you have agencies, you have enterprises, so you have government agencies as well. So for enterprises, we're talking about the legal department of companies. Okay. In terms of support that is available, you can contact App4Legal via email, phone, live support, training, tickets. It's really like we love the fact that it is comprehensive, the number of ways you can reach out to them. In terms of the deployment, as I said before, it is cloud-based, but if you want to do it locally, they can do it on premises as well. Not a problem at all. And in terms of payments, I'll speak about the pricing later on. You can pay monthly or yearly, even though we advise you for all intents and purposes, if your budget so allows, to actually make the payments on a monthly, on a weekly, on an annual basis, because you can save somewhere from 15% all the way to 35 to 40%. So this is really, it is consequential. So, but you got to have the budget to actually pay upfront too, though. So this is something that really, like, if you are a small firm or you're a micro firm, this could be problematic. But what we love is that App4Legal is constantly trying to change things to make things a lot better for all kinds of customers. So this is why you can always contact App4Legal and see if they can work out a deal for you. So let's say you're trying to use the software, right? But you don't have, like, you think the pricing is too much. Then what you want, you can negotiate with them. And I mean, for us, the price already is reasonable. Just seriously. When you compare App4Legal with other software, really the price is already great. So for us, this is a great tool already, a very affordable tool. When you think about the value, the cost benefit is just fantastic. Let's talk about the pricing here. So when we talk about App4Legal, what is the price model, the pricing model here? I want you to look on the screen here. So you can see that App4Legal has several sort of pricing models. First of all, you got to ask yourself what kind of product you want. So you have the App4Legal Core, and then you have the App4Legal Contra. So I'll talk to you about the Contra later on, but I first want to show you on the screen right now the App4Legal Core. So you have basic, business, enterprise, and enterprise plus. Now for enterprise plus, you need to contact sales at App4Legal for a quote. Okay. And so basically what we have found in our research is that the enterprise plan is the best. It gives you all the capabilities you need to run your law firm. And now I wanted to show you the second screenshot here. So this is the Contra pricing. Contra pricing here, you have $9 business, $29, enterprise $39, and for enterprise you got to contact again, enterprise plus rather, you got to contact again the customer service for them to get back to you. One thing I want to say here is that the prices I'm showing you, this is for on cloud, and if you were to go with on server, the price will be different. So this is important. So it's important to also understand that when we talk about on cloud versus on server, you have to ask yourself what really is important for you. Okay. What's really important for you, and what kind of strategy you have at your firm to actually bring your costs down overall. Because remember, for the essential, for example, they're giving you 1 GB of storage, training, also document management, content management, money module. You have money module here. You have matter management. You have task management. You have calendar and reminders. And you have a reporting tool. So you need that. So what about the premium? The premium, this is actually what they call the business. The business, you have all essential features. By the way, the essentials, that's the basic. Okay. Now the premium, that's the business. So you have the Outlook integration, you have customer portal, and you have 4 GB of storage. What about the enterprise? The $39 a month plan. Well, here you actually have all premium features, and you have 10 GB of storage. And then the other one, you have to contact customer service to get more information. So what is our opinion here? Is App4Legal legit or not legit? Is it worth it or not worth it? It is a waste of time, money, or anything. Well, App4Legal, we're here to clarify things for everybody. App4Legal is legit software. It is worth it. We definitely recommend it. I mean, the prices are really affordable for the stuff that the capabilities that it adds to your law firm, that it could add to your law firm, and the price they're charging. This is really fantastic. Okay, so we recommend App4Legal because it is one of the most trustworthy and powerful legal practice management software solutions for law firms, in-house legal departments, and all legal practitioners. So this is kind of cool. And we love the fact that there are two, I just want to remind you, there are two main products within App4Legal. So you have App4Legal Core, and you have the contract management. So the App4Legal Core, this is a comprehensive law firm management software. So here, key features that you might have if you were to go with that software tool include case matter management, time tracking, financial management, and IP tracking. And for the contract management, this is a separate solution for managing the contracts of your law firm. So the bottom line is that you got to ask yourself what really works for you, and what kind of a vision you have for your law firm, and what kind of existing tech stack you have. So the tech stack that you have will really play an important role, because you don't want to actually change legal management software like every 2 years or every 3 years. So you want legal management software that integrates really well with your existing tech stack. That way everything runs smoothly. And it's just like, it's like when you're hiring a staff member, you don't want the whole company to be dependent upon that staff member, right? You want the staff member to be willing to be free to go if he or she wants to go, and you could do the same thing too. So it is the same approach I want you to have when you think about App4Legal. So, but remember, there are some core features that you might need if you were to go with App4Legal. For example, the expense tracking, the CRM, the time tracking, the email management, the billing and invoicing. Those are important elements that you will need anyway. So overall, just be careful about the kind of, you have to ask yourself why you are going with this plan versus the other one. All right, let's quickly recap here. So today I gave you an App4Legal review, and so I gave you the presentation, the pros and cons, the features. I also spoke about the value added. I spoke a little bit about the specs and the plans, and now I close with our own opinion. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.